Howdy, I'm Dan from Stewart's, and today Raf and Joe will be tinting this Toyota Corolla with our 5% ceramic heat rejection tint and putting a front strip as well. Now Raf is going to start on the windows and cut the tint into shape. Now that all the tint is cut, he's going to be shrinking them to make sure it sits flat on the windows. Before applying the tint, Raf is going to be cleaning the windows to make sure there's no contaminants left behind. Now Raf will be applying the tint on the windows. Now that the side windows are done, he's going to be applying the front strip. Now Joe's gonna get the tint ready for the back window. Next, Joe will be cutting off the excess tint. Now Joe will be shrinking the tint to make sure it sits flat on the window. Now Joe will be prepping the tint for application. Before applying the tint, Joe will be cleaning the window just like how Raf did on the side windows. Now they'll be washing the vehicle and then we'll be showing you a walk around afterwards. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you would like to get your vehicle tinted like this, give us a call or message us on Facebook or Instagram.